In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change Google Play Store password. Intro. Now, your Play Store password is the same as your Google account password, so changing it will update the password for your entire Google account. But just open up the Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon up in the top right corner. Select Manage Your Google Account, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. And then just go ahead and scroll down on here until you see Security and Sign In. And right below that, you're going to see Google Password. Go ahead and tap on that, and then from this section, you're going to see a lot more information. Wait for it to load, and once you're on the password page, just enter in your new password. And of course, you may have to sign in again, so just keep that in mind. But sign in, tap change password, and of course, your Google account password and Play Store password will then be updated. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.